So in today's video, guys, we are going to be looking at the types of angles. So let's get started. This is my first educational video, so let's do it. Alright, so the types of angles include three, and those are acute, right, and obtuse. And acute angles, so let me see. So acute angles, that's a really bad drawing by the way, but acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees. So this angle, let's say, is 36 degrees, that's an acute angle. But if you have an angle like this, and let's say that's like 170, that is an obtuse. And obtuse angles are angles that are more than 90 degrees, and acute angles are less than 90 degrees. And if you're wondering what 90 degrees is, well, this is what 90 degrees looks like. Might not be perfect, but I tried my best. So this is a 90-degree angle, and 90-degree angles are called right angles. So there you have the three types of angles. So acute angles are less, so let's review. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees, obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, and right angles are 90 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later.